you seen butter in there? On the phone?
Not really. There we go.
Oh, now you can see them. Oh, wow. That's actually good.
Oh, they're bubbling.
Oh my god, they're bubbling.
They're bubbling. They're bubbling. We look at Oh, it smells good. Okay, I'm gonna take them out before it starts on fire.
Whoa. Oh my god.
Grandma, don't mind the smell.
Oh my gosh.
We microwave 2 Juju's.
It actually smells really good.
I know.
Wait, let me make sure the bottom.
It's fine because it's paper.
Oh, okay.
Look at there. It's microwaved.
Wow. Oh, wait. Let me
That's
put
good. Ooh, mix it around. Well, you could wear this as lipstick.
Yeah, you could, but you'd probably eat it.
Like, tasty.
That's so cool. It looks like you're picking up a booger.
Yummy!
Oh my gosh, it's already hardening.
It's like hard candy now. Oh my god, look at that. Okay, ready? Look.
That's so cool.
Oh my god.
Wait, I'm making an alien. Oh. Darn it.
Yeah.
What?
You can taste it burned. Oh, if only you could see this. That's what happens when you microwave a white and black Juju together.
I thought you said it was purple.
Technically purple. Because it's really dark purple, so it looks black. So technically we can just call it black and get it over with. It's burnt. It tastes really gross.
Ew.
Okay.